G'day Tyson, Jace here from Adelaide Vehicle Centre. Like I said on the phone, mate, going to give you a full tour of the Holden Colorado, just going over it a little bit more in depth and picking up all the scratches and things I talked about over the phone, just so you get a good idea of the vehicle, obviously, before you make any decision to go ahead. So I'll get started for you. Like we know, 6-speed manual. Obviously got a safety feature, so you push it down and click it over in the right to put it in reverse. As you can hear, you got the sensors on the back. Like I said to you on the phone though, the gear knob's got a bit buggered up here, just your general wear and tear from it. But getting back down here, so click it in neutral, you got your four-wheel drive options. Pretty simple, mate. Click it over, goes up into 4 high, and then clicks it over and down, goes into forward low, and it all shows up here. As you can see just there, ESP off, 4-wheel drive low, pretty straightforward if you do much 4-wheel driving yourself. So click that one back over, easy as. Handbrake cup holders, your compartment in here. I'll show you there, you got a USB and AUX port, so you can hook up your phone just in there. Moving on up, you got two 12-volt power sources just here, traction control, and obviously your heel assist here with the cruise control. Aircon's really easy, mate. Fan speed in the middle, temperature gauge where you want to select it. Moving on up to the head unit, like I said, it's got the MyLink set up to it, so you got audio, picture, movies, connect your phone to it, and all the SmartLink options there as well. AM, FM radio, AUX and USB, and then your Bluetooth connectivity as well, so you can connect up your phone and make inbound, outbound phone calls while driving, and obviously play your music while you're going there as well. Like I mentioned to you, being the fleet vehicle, it's got the holes here just in the trim, as well as here. Generally when they hook up their UHF, they have those there. Compartment just up the top here, so you can store some things away. Moving on over, multifunction steering wheel, so you've got cruise control options on this side, volume and selection on that side. Then you've got your windscreen wipers on the left, indicators on the right, and obviously the menu for the middle here, telling you your fuel economy, your speed, so it's got your auto speed odometer there and everything as well, battery voltage, you name it. Down the bottom here, you got your light options. You can see that one just there. So your light options to select, got your bonnet and fuel, and then obviously your windows there and your mirrors just up here. So, but one thing I'll do, when we'll jump out and have a look underneath the hood, I'll get Jezza to go over the condition of the interior and the seats as well for you. So we'll get onto that. Try to do this one pretty quick for you, Tyson. Running out a bit of daylight down this way. But yeah, 2.8 litre turbo diesel, good on fuel economy, so you're sitting around the 8.7 to 9 litres per 100 Ks. Mate, it's got 3-tonne towing capacity as well, so it can tow something if you're looking to do that as well. One thing I mentioned to you on the phone though, here at Adelaide Vehicle Centre, we've got a written structural guarantee, so we structurally guarantee all our vehicles that they've never been in an accident that could infect the structural integrity of the car. One thing we pick for, mate, if you have a look at the nuts and bolts underneath the bonnet, obviously around the car and everything like that as well, in the door handles and the chassis and stuff, so good indication if there's any tool wear or paint missing off it. It's a sign that the bonnet's been taken off, and that's how you know it's been in an accident, because you know they'd only take that off to get inside the motor. So, but we'll run around the front of the car. Yep, so you can obviously see here you got the factory bull bar to it from Holden's. In good nick, there's no major scuffs on the bull bar, which is good. Generally you see a few scuffs if it's hit anything. One thing I'll show you here, so there's a few scratches just here, hopefully you can see it in the light there. A few scratches and a little bit down here near the bull bar. Coming up on the bonnet here, there's a few little scuff marks here as well. But no dents on the bonnet, which is good. Run around the side of the car. This is where I could see the marking on the front left, like I was telling you about. So you got these things here, obviously you scraped something on the way on the side, and then a little ding here. But if that's something that's really concerning to you, we can try and see if we can sort something out there. But coming down the rest of the car here, a few little scuff marks and stuff like that, your usual nail scratches in the middle there. Coming down the back here, a couple of little scratches and stuff like that. Looks like it's been like some bushes along it. It looks like it's got little scratch marks from the bushes. But I'll get Jeremy to show you inside the tub. Like I said, there was no tub liner, so it's just the metal, but you can see obviously it's been used for work for some sorts of things. Had a few things in the back here. On top of the tailgate, a couple little things on top of the tailgate, but it's just depending on what you're doing with it. Tyson, so you can obviously fit a Hardy to it or get a tourniquet, and you wouldn't even see those things really. Down the side of the car, so couldn't see any dents on the tailgate besides this little one just up here. Just there, and a few little scratches and marks just around here as well. But got all the sensors fitted to the back, which is good, and your heavy duty tow bar in there. Get Jeremy to follow me around here. And again, a few little scuff marks and stuff like that, so you can tell it has been used as work ute. Looking around this line of the car here, there's no dents from what I can see. Looking down the line of the car, I'll show you the back seats. Back seats are in really good condition. And then you've got those heavy duty floor mats that are on the floor as well. But yeah, that's a quick video of the Holden Colorado for you, Tyson. Hopefully it gives you a better description of the vehicle. Other than that, mate, look forward to chatting to you soon. Thank you.